Hi, this is Terry at Thurton Auto Centre. Just wanted to have a quick chat with our Chief Mechanic, Dale, with reference to a job that we have been asked to do on a motorhome based on a feature Cato chassis. We were doing a routine Cambelt service and we come across some issues that could have been catastrophic had we not caught them. Dale, so tell us, mate, what did what we come across?
Right, what we found is that the fuel pump drive gear has split.
Where's the crack? Oh,
See the crack just there in the...
Okay, so if we hadn't have seen that, what could have been the cause? What issue would we have come across, or the owner?
You got two possible outcomes: either the fuel pump just stops turning, so the engine stops and you're broken down,
right,
or it kicks the Cambelt off and you do a load of engine damage. And
catastrophic. That would be potentially a new engine.
Yeah,
which they're about £8.5 grand, aren't they? Okay, and we've got a part there. What's it? A couple of £100 or something? Is it? I'm not sure.
140 quid.
140. Right. Okay. All right. Great. Thanks very much.